Guys, we are at Trimley Station level crossing in Suffolk. And this should be for our 481 Zulu Freightliner service from Bristol Freightliner Terminal to Felixstowe North Freightliner Terminal. It's due to pass at 15:27. Time now is 15:25. It should be the last one before my train back to Ipswich. Let me just check something. Oh, maybe possible. Seeing as it's a Felixstowe, which is only 3 minutes behind this, I'm going to pass over. There you go. And that's for the crossing around the corner. Now again, he's going to Felixstowe North, so might do this. I don't know whether they've got to do the same with what they did with the other one. I'm not actually convinced it's a Freightliner. It could be a DRS. We'll see. Maybe. Sheet from Real Time Trains I've got doesn't actually say, just says freight. I don't know. Well, it doesn't actually, just says the freight. The operating company is just ZZ. It's just what it says for all freight trains. Yeah, we'll see. Might still be a Freightliner. Apologies if you can see the flashing on the screen. I have no idea what that is. I've had a look into it in the past, but I've come to no conclusions as to what the hell it is. Yeah, I'm fairly certain that's in DRS livery. But it might be one of the ones that Freightliner have bought off DRS. You can probably hear it sounds as though he is stopping again. Also, as you can hear the brakes, that's definitely the DRS livery, but it might be one of the ones that Freightliner have bought off DRS. So it's still got DRS livery, but the Freightliner logos. Can't see my one back to Ipswich yet. See, it can't come into the station because the signals will be on the signals will protect the crossing and the station. So not protect the station really, they protect the points here. There you go. Sounds like your signal's just cleared, and you should probably hear he's revved up. Gate actually he's actually doing quite good speed, so he definitely isn't stopping the signal. Mainly for the fact he's just passed it. Let the engine cool down again because we've got, so it's 25:15 or something. Again, it's got quite a few empty ones, and this is anyway. No, that is DRS. It's the old Stobart livery, 66414. Eight empty ones of these. I have no idea what they're called or anything about them. I've seen them before, but that's as far as I ever got before. One thing I do know about them, they're not doubles, they're just things like these ones. Sometimes you get like that. Like this one. Possibly the next one as well. Yes, next one. Last two doubles, last two are empty as well. Actually, I think the limit on the curve there is 15 and it's 25 the rest of the way. Anyway, are they going to lift? No, they're not. Anyway, I think just see the headlights of my train, which is, I have no idea what the head code points have just moved over for it though. should be 153322, I think. And go back to Ipswich. Yeah, crossing's definitely staying for it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.